If you leave me there, I die be this year. You dey show me things I can't resist, yeah, yeah. I go mention your name to the whole wide world. It be you that give me joy.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rocksy, and I'm back with another wig review. If you are a new viewer, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also, make sure you're hitting that bell so that you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this wig. I've already done this wig review before, however, it was black the first time that I did it. So this time I decided to go ahead and color the unit. Now, disclaimer, this was not the color that I was originally going for, so I still don't know how I feel about this color, but I was going for more of an ash blonde type of color. And in my opinion, I think it is best to color your units by not starting off black. It's best that you get like a 613 if you're gonna go ahead and color the unit. I mean, some may have luck with actually getting it to that ash blonde color, but yeah, they started off as black, and there are many different factors I feel that play into why it came out this color. Now, the two original colors that I was supposed to get, and I thought that I ended up getting the wrong two colors. I was supposed to get a medium ash blonde and a dark ash blonde. I ended up getting a medium ash blonde and then a dark blonde, hence the ash part. So those are the two colors that I initially started off with. This was after I decided to go ahead and color the unit. Well, I bleached the unit first is what I did with a 40 developer, cream developer, and then I went ahead and applied the dark blonde and the medium ash blonde. It came out a very darkish blonde color at first, and I didn't really like that, so I ended up getting the two correct colors, which were the medium ash blonde and the dark ash blonde. Another thing that I did where I messed it up was I ended up getting two different brands. So if you want to achieve the ash blonde look, these are the correct ones that you're supposed to get. All right, it is Revlon. You're supposed to get the Revlon 70 medium ash blonde and the Revlon dark ash blonde if you really want to achieve that pretty ash blonde color. All right, and then also you want to make sure you're using a unit that's already blonde, like a 613 blonde color. That way it'll come out, I mean, really, really, really beautiful. I've seen this YouTuber do it and it came out so perfect, but mine's whatever. So these were the ones that I had that were like the wrong colors. So it's dark blonde and then medium ash blonde. Yeah, so that happened, and this is how it came out to look, like this color here. So let me show you guys the color and what it looks like. Get up close. So I mean, if you like this color and you actually want to achieve this look or this color, then go ahead and screw it up like I did, and you would just go ahead and do the dark blonde and the medium ash blonde first, and then you do the medium ash blonde and the dark ash blonde to get this color. Again, I did bleach the unit before I did all of that, and I am going to go ahead and insert a clip of how I bleached and added all those extra colors in there and how it turned out like this. I still don't know how I feel about it. I mean, I don't think it's like hideous, but yeah. So after I colored it and let it process and all of that, I blow dried it and I applied 6 oils because it was really dry, and I blow dried it, and then I went ahead and wanded the whole unit on my mannequin head, and then I placed the unit on and kind of ran my fingers through all the curls, and then that's how I achieved this look. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert that clip. Let me know what you guys think. All right. guys think. I do just have just a couple of tips for you if you're gonna go ahead and get into the whole coloring your wig or whatever it is you want to experiment like myself. Tip number one, if you are gonna color like a lighter color, I would suggest getting a 613 blonde color first. I already knew this because I've watched a whole bunch of freaking YouTube videos prior to doing this. However, I had a black one. I seen someone do it with black and it came out pretty nice. So I figured, let me go ahead and try it since I like this unit. This is what happened. Tip number two, I wouldn't apply so much oil before you blow dry and wand or curl the hair because it ends up looking all drenched with oil. I feel like that's what mine look like. I don't know, that's just my opinion. So that's my tip number two. Tip number three, make sure you get the right color. Please make sure you get the right color the first try because coloring is very, very, very hard to do. As I've said, I've been watching so many different YouTube videos on how to properly, you know, like dye your units and such. So this was my little experiment, and I am going to be coloring units more often so that I can get better at it. If you guys have any tips for me, definitely feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. I am open to criticism and I want to get better at it. So yeah, I'll be watching more videos though, of course. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Definitely stay tuned because I'll be back with more videos pretty soon. Thanks for watching, guys.